Biography of Salahuddin Ayyubi, a symbol of justice, courage, and humanity. Centuries have passed since the death of one of Islam's greatest heroes, Salahuddin Ayyubi, yet his name still shines as a symbol of justice, bravery, and compassion. Born in 1137 BC in the city of Tikrit, Iraq, his full name was Yusuf ibn Ayyub. He belonged to a noble Kurdish family, and his father Najmuddin Ayyub was a respected and courteous man. In his childhood, Salahuddin's family moved to Damascus, where he received his religious, academic, and military education. Later, he began his military career under the leadership of Nuruddin Zangi. His intelligence, faith, and leadership qualities soon made him stand out among his peers. Rise to power in Egypt. Salahuddin Ayyubi accompanied his uncle Sherhu to Egypt, where they fought against the Fatimid Caliphate. After Sherhu's death, Salahuddin was appointed as the Wazir Prime Minister of Egypt. He later ended the Fatimid rule and restored allegiance to the Abbasid Khilafat, reviving Sunni Islam in Egypt. He went on to establish the Ayyubid dynasty, which eventually extended its rule over Egypt, Syria, Yemen, the Hijaz, and parts of Iraq. The historic victory of Jerusalem, the most glorious chapter of Salahuddin's life, came in 1187 BC with the liberation of Jerusalem from the Crusaders. In the Battle of Hattin, he inflicted a decisive defeat on the Crusader armies and claimed Al-Quds, Jerusalem, after nearly 88 years of occupation. Yet Salahuddin's greatness was not only in his military triumphs but in his mercy and justice. After conquering Jerusalem, he refused to take revenge and avoided bloodshed, granting peace and protection to Christian civilians. This noble conduct earned him admiration even among his enemies. A leader of justice and faith, Salahuddin's life was an example of fairness and humility. Despite ruling vast lands, he lived a simple life. At the time of his death, he had so little personal wealth that there was not enough money even to pay for his own shroud. Death. This great conqueror passed away on March 4, 1193 in Damascus. His tomb still stands there today, where people from around the world come to pay tribute to his legacy. Historians' perspective. Historians, both Muslim and non-Muslim, regard Salahuddin Ayyubi as a true embodiment of humanity and chivalry. British historian Sir Walter Scott once wrote, "Salahuddin is one of the few conquerors remembered with honor by both friend and foe." Conclusion. The life of Salahuddin Ayyubi delivers a timeless message. There is no power greater than justice, faith, and humanity. MD Udan News TV, Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program is sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deal with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi X, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Cold Jat Kadahi, and Elevex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all castes. Mobile number 0323478780. You are watching Udan News.